Giants won last night 8-3. In 1989, the Giants were in the World Series versus the Oakland A's.
Okay.
Hang on. You know, I have to tell you, one of my goals in life, Bethany, one of my goals in life is to make it on YouTube, and I think I just did. I'm on YouTube. Hello to my YouTube friends. How are you? Thank you. This is my friend Daniel. Oh, wow. I have to tell you what. You have no idea what I paid for this coat. Wow. Oh, hey, there's more. All I noticed is what went in my eye. Well, I'm supposed to go on from here. Hey, Darren, it's raining in San Francisco. It's raining bird crap, if I may say that. Well, look, hopefully we'll get a little rain to wash it off.
Okay.
Are we still on?
I'm gonna take care of this, Tom.
Yes.
I'll tell the story.
No, how can I talk now? IFD came out. Do we have time?
Yeah.
Okay, you want the story?
Okay,
Here,